Today we are going to start a new topic, that is, how do humans hear sound? Ear is the organ in the human body that helps us to hear the sound. Our ear responds to the sounds that are very faint as well as sounds that are very loud. The ear can be divided into three parts: the outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. So let us know more about outer ear. Outer ear is made up of funnel-shaped structure that is called ear flaps or pinna. Then there is a tube-like structure that is called ear canal or auditory canal. Pinna is made up of skin and cartilage. Cartilage is just like bone, but it is soft. So, the pinna collects the sound which travels down the ear canal. At the end of the ear canal is a stretched membrane over it that is called eardrum. It separates the outer ear from the middle ear. So when the sound strikes the eardrum, it causes it to move or vibrate. Next is middle ear. It is a space behind the eardrum. Middle ear consists of three very small bones, that is hammer, anvil, and stirrup. So, when the eardrum vibrates, it transfers the vibration to hammer. Then hammer transfers the vibration to anvil. And in turn, the anvil transfers the vibration to stirrup. The role of these bones is to increase the vibrations and pass them to the fluid in the inner ear and make the vibrations larger. Next is inner ear. Inner ear consists of coiled organ of hearing that is called cochlea, three semicircular canals, and the auditory nerves. Cochlea is filled with a fluid, and it also balances the body. It is the organ which is linked to the stirrup. Cochlea contains many hair-like hair-like cells. These cells are linked to the auditory nerves. So when the stirrup vibrates, the waves move to the cochlea. The tiny hair present in ears get stimulated or active and send signals to the auditory nerves of the nervous system. These nerves transfer the signals to the brain, and then brain interprets these vibrations as sound. And in this way, we are able to hear the sound. Next is taking care of ears. We should clean our ear only from outside and never from inside. We should never insert any pointed object to clean the ear from inside, because it may cause damage to the eardrum. Don't use this cotton swab or the earbud to clean the ear. There is a wax present in the ear, and this wax is very important because it traps the dust particles. It should not be cleaned by the cotton bud or the swab. This wax also saves the ear from harmful microorganisms. Use earplugs around the loud noises. Turn the volume down if the volume is unbearable. You should give your ears time to recover. Then from time to time you should take medical help from the doctor when it is needed. We should keep our ears dry. And we should try to manage our stress levels and get regular checkup from time to time. Next is, can we hear all sounds? So the answer is no, we cannot hear all the sounds. So what is the reason behind it? The human ear responds to the sound with frequencies ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. This is called audible range of the human ear. Sound of frequency below 20 Hz and above 20,000 Hz is not audible to human ear. Example of sources that produce sound in the audible range of frequencies are drums, guitar, strings, human vocal cords and diaphragm of loudspeakers. Sound whose frequencies is less than 20 Hz is called infrasonic sound. Elephants can hear infrasonic sounds. Sound with frequency more than 20,000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound. The audible range of dogs extend to ultrasonic frequencies. They can hear very high frequencies that human cannot. So this is the reason they are more alert than us.